Hi kids! This time let's learn about a new number game. This is very interesting. It's like a magic square where there are certain numbers in this box, and by using numbers in each row and column we have to arrive at the desired number which has been already told to you. So in this case, we had to add numbers in rows and columns to get number 12. What does that mean? It means from this first row, you have to choose those numbers and circle them, which when added should give you number 12. Similarly, for each row and each column, you have to choose certain numbers to get 12. But what is the thing to be remembered? If you select 6 for this row, it means the 6 should be selected for this column as well. So a number once circled needs to be used wherever possible. So let us start doing this. Now as told, we wanted 12. In all these numbers, which number is nearest to 12? That is number 9. It's always easier and better to start with a number which is closest to the desired number. Why? Let me give you an example. Suppose you start with this number which is 2. So you circle 2 over here. How much more do you need in this row, in this column? You need 10 more. So in that case, you can select 6 and 4 over here. But how can you be very sure whether this 2 you should circle or this 2 you should circle? You can't be very sure in that case. Similarly, there might be similar issue in this row. You have circled 2 over here. Now, why not this 2? And likewise, so it's always better to select numbers which are nearest to the desired number. So let's start with this column. Over here we have 9. If we select 9, how much more is required for getting 12? 3 more. So we can circle 9 and 3. And then we can check that there is no other way that 12 can be derived in this column. It's only through 9 and 3. So let's circle that. Now when we have circled 9 over here, in this row also it means that 9 needs to be used. So 9 plus 3 will give us 12. So we can circle 3 over here. Now we have taken 3 in this column. 3 is gone. How much more is required? 9 more is required. So which numbers need to be used? 6 and 3, then only we can get 9. But there are two 6. We don't know which 6 can be used, but we are sure of this 3. So let's circle 3 over here. We'll select our 6 a little later. Now in this row, if you see 3 and 3, that is total 6 has been circled. How much more required for 12? 6 more. So we can easily select 6 over here. Again, over here in this column, we know that 6 is already used. How much more required? 6 more. How can we get 6 over here? 4 plus 2. So 4 we are sure of. We can circle 4. Now which 2? It has to be this 2. Why? Because if we circle this 2, the sum in this row will become wrong. So this 2 needs to be used. So we can circle this one now. Now let's look at this row. Over here 2 is taken. How much more required? 10 more. And what is the possibility for that 10? It's 4 plus 6. So that is the only possibility. So we can circle it. Now let's look at this row. 4 has been taken. How much more required? 8 more. So only this 8 is the possibility. The two 6's cannot be used. So we know that our game number puzzle has been solved. Let's check for all the rows and columns. 8 plus 4, 12. 6 plus 3 plus 3, 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Similarly over here, 6 plus 4 plus 2, 12, 9 plus 3, 12, 8 plus 4, 12, and 3 plus 6 plus 3 is also 12. It was interesting, isn't it?